Hello and welcome. Now we discuss the weekly forecast of GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, crude oil, gold market, and USD CAD currency pair. Now take a look at the GBP USD currency pair for next week. As all of you guys noticed that in the previous analysis we are suggesting that unless the market is holding below the 1.1857 level and cannot close any H4 candle above that area, moving average 50 is continuously pushing the price in the selling direction, and so this happened that market take a pull up to that level of you can say 1.19 area and go in the selling direction. Overall, unless the market is holding below the 1.1976 level, the major trend is bearish, and according to the Fibonacci retracement, if you draw the Fibonacci retracement on that double top pattern, your take profit limit one is 1.1857 and your next take profit limit is at 1.1600. so hopefully in the next week our first main target is 1.1600 in the next week, and if you are the buyer then you will take the buying opportunity from 1.1550 or 1.1600, as this will give you a lot of profit. Now take a look at other currency pair, and other currency pair is Euro USD currency pair. Euro USD currency pair situation is in front of you, that overall the situation is that the market is hovering inside this H4 trend channel, and from this 1.0356 level market is continuously going in the selling direction, as we are suggesting that yesterday the market is bearish, but market make a pull up to the 1.0060 level and then perform the bearish direction. Our scenario is that this is the bearish flag pattern formed in the H4 time frame. So according to that, if you draw the Fibonacci retracement on this latest wave from that to that, your next take profit limit is at, according to, if you look at the daily time frame, your next take profit limit is at 0.9723. so hopefully in the upcoming days, if the market continue to hold below the 1.0060 level, the market will go in the selling direction toward the 0.9723 level as next take profit limit. So hopefully you guys understand the Euro USD currency pair. Now take a look at the other currency pair, and other currency pair is USD JPY. So USD JPY, we are saying in our previous analysis that unless holding above the 136.30 level, this is the, you can say, Fibonacci level, as in the previous session market is continuously make a pull up from the 131.50 level and holding above this previous broken area of 131.450 level. After that it will go and make higher high, and in the previous week market continuously make a strong hold above the 136.30 level, and now it's break the neckline once again in the upside direction. So our next awaited target is 139.27 in the next week, hopefully done in the next week, because the Japanese situation is also weakened. So unless holding above the 136.30 level, we are suggesting the bullish trend for upcoming days. Now take a look at the other currency pair, and that is the crude oil market. As all of you guys noticed that in the previous session we are suggesting that sell the crude oil below the 94.60 level. If you look at our previous Friday analysis, we are suggesting that it has possibility to test the support level of 91.30 as the market tests that support level and make a pull up. It's look like that it's a bullish trend, but overall you look at that this pattern is, you can say, double top pattern or that is formed at that area. Overall, if you look at the trend of the market according to the H4 time frame, market is trading outside this major H4 trend channel and making higher high look like that. So I suggest that in the next week, if the market break any H4 candle above the 94.60 level, then you take the buying opportunity up to the 99.24 level. Otherwise, if the market keep holding its strength below the 94.60 level, we have still chance that it will continue to go again in the selling direction, but still there is a minor bullish trend. So wait for the perfect opportunity. Either it break upside and hold above that area, then you take the buying opportunity, or if the market break any H4 candle below the 91.30 level, then you take the sell opportunity up to the 87 level once again. So I suggest you these are the mentioned levels, trade on this level, how to trade. So now take a look at the other currency pair, and that is the gold. So in the previous session we are suggesting that gold market is bearish unless holding below the 1756 level, and the gold market moving average 50 in the H4 time frame is continuously pushing the price downward, and this is market always make a pull up or change the trend when the market make the double top, or you can say head and shoulder pattern, but market cannot form any pattern. So market once again come toward the 1727 level, and that is, you can say, previous H4, you can say outside of the H4 trend channel line. So overall, according to the monthly time frame, it's look like that the gold market is now heading toward once again toward the 1680 level. But I suggest that if you are the seller, then selling opportunity from the 1756 level is almost possible, because in the previous session I suggested, but now the buying opportunity is valid from the 1727, or you can say 1720 area. When the market goes toward the 1720 area, you will take the buying opportunity from that area, and if the market break properly and close the H4 candle below that area and hold below that area, then we go for the selling opportunity. But for the next week, there is still chances that market will range between the 1756 and 1720 area. But overall, the trend according to the H4 time frame is you can say bearish, and market, if the USD JPY continue to go in the upside direction, gold market is heading toward the 1680 level next week. So hopefully you guys understand the gold market analysis. Now take a look at the other currency pair, that is the USD CAD currency pair. As in the previous week, we are suggesting that USD CAD is bearish below the 1.2956 level, as the market make a pullback from that area 1.29. But overall, now according to the crude oil market situation, the USD CAD currency pair once again make a strong break above the 1.2950 level. So I suggest that for the next week, the trend of the you can say USD CAD currency pair is bullish, and our first target is 1.3060, and if the market break and hold above that area, then obviously this is the, you can say, previous level. So our next target for next week is 1.3130 level, or 1.3220 level, if the market wants to break the 130.60 level. So overall, you guys understand that if you are the buyer, then take the buying opportunity when the market take a retrace from up to 1.2960 level. So from that you will take the buying opportunity, and in the H1 time frame, its buying opportunity is very good once this candle close above the 1.2960 2950, and this H1 candle close above that area. So this is the breakout entries, and you will see that these entries are very good. So let's see in the H4 time frame in the next week how the USD CAD currency pair perform. But overall now the trend is bullish in the USD CAD currency pair. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Your continuous supports needed.